Paw Patrol fans! Welcome to the Paw Patrol game! It's me, Ellie Sparkles. It's time to spin the wheel again, and this time it's our favorite pups from Paw Patrol. We have Chase, the blue police dog, Sky, the pink pilot dog, Zuma, the orange water dog, Rocky, the green recycling dog, Marshall, the red fire dog, and Rubble, the yellow construction dog. Are you ready to spin the wheel and play the Paw Patrol game? Let's go! Wow, look at the wheel spinning! So cool! It landed on Chase! Awesome! Here is Chase, the blue police dog. He's the leader of the Paw Patrol with his good friend Ryder. Okay, Chase, are you ready to get poked? What's this inside? Let's take some out. Oh, it's popcorn! Yummy! I wonder if dogs like to eat popcorn. Is there anything hidden underneath? Cool! I found a Paw Patrol toy. It's a Chase action pack figure. Chase is wearing his blue police uniform and he has a police pack on his back. When you push this button on his collar, his police pack opens, like this. Wow! Chase looks so brave. Let's see if Chase has more surprises under the popcorn. Hey, look! It's a Chase Mashem microlight. It looks just like Chase. Super squishy. And look! It has a cool flashlight on the bottom. The light is even blue like Chase. This is so cool! What a great surprise! Anything else in the popcorn? Nope, nothing else, so let's spin the wheel again. This wheel is so much fun! I wonder who is going to be next. Maybe Zuma? The wheel landed on Marshall, the fire pup in Paw Patrol. Marshall is so silly, he's always falling into the elevator. Okay, Paw Patrol fans, we know Chase drives a police car. What kind of truck does Marshall drive? Let me know in the comments. Wow, I see something wiggly in there. Oh no, it's icky red slime. Marshall, you slimed us. I didn't think Marshall would have slime under his circle. There's something else in there. It's a Marshall toy. Awesome! Marshall is so cute with his fire hat. He's pretty squishy too. And he has a flashlight just like Chase. Is there anything else inside? Wow, it's a Kinder egg. Give me a thumbs up if you ever had a Kinder egg before. Here's a toy. And of course, some yummy chocolate. Here's the Kinder flyer. Oh, stickers! I love stickers. Let's put them on the car. That looks so cool. I wonder what this blue thing does. Let's put the car inside it. Wow, this car is fast! Okay, Marshall, anything else? Nope, just more red slime. Okay, let's spin the wheel again. There it goes. I wonder who is next. It's Rubble! Rubble is the yellow member of Paw Patrol, and he's good at fixing things like trains. Are you ready, Rubble? Wow, this rubble circle is filled with big white marshmallows. They're so soft and fluffy. Is there anything hidden inside the marshmallows? We found a transformer robot. This one is called Bumblebee. He is yellow just like Rubble. You can turn his arm like this. How cool is that? And you can also move his big robot legs. Let's see what else is hidden under the yummy marshmallows. Nice! It's a Rubble's yellow Paw Patrol badge. You can wear this badge on your jacket. And what else? Cool! We found a Rubble Microlight figure. Let's squeeze him. He also lights up. The Rubble Microlight and the Rubble badge are perfect to bring camping. Is there anything else in the marshmallow? No, I think that's it for Rubble. Are you ready to spin the wheel again? There it goes. I can't wait to see who it lands on this time. Yay, it's Sky! Sky is a pink pilot pup and she loves to fly high in the sky in her helicopter. Sky, you slimed us! Pink slime! So squishy! I think there's something in the slime. Nice! It looks like a surprise bag with a toy in it. Let's see what's inside. It's a Robo-Dog surprise toy. Robo-Dog is Ryder's dog. Rocky helped Ryder make Robo-Dog. I wish I had a robot to help me like Robo-Dog. What else is in this pink slime? Wow, this slime is really sticky. It's Sky's Paw Patrol badge. It's pink and has a picture of airplane wings. Is there anything else in here? Wow, another toy! It's a Sky minifigure. She has her pink pilot hat on. Sky is one of my favorite pups. Who is your favorite? Type it in the comments. I love her light. It's so cool. Bye, Sky. Okay, we have 2 spins left. It's spinning. Is this going to land on Rocky or Zuma? It's Rocky the recycling dog. Rocky is the green member of Paw Patrol. I hope he doesn't slime us like Sky did. Oh no, he did slime us. Oh, Rocky, you're so silly. This green slime is so icky. Okay, what else is in here? Nice! It's Rocky in his recycling truck. Wow, Rocky, you have a lot of slime on you. Zoom Zoom! Rocky to the rescue! There's more in here. It's a Rocky figure. Look at his cute green hat and green collar. Even his nose is squishy. I love Mashems. They're so much fun. What's this in the green slime? It's Rocky's Paw Patrol badge. It's a recycling badge. Cool. It looks like that's it for Rocky. Well, there's only one more spin left. Let's give it one more really big spin. Wow, look how fast it's going. It's Zuma. Zuma is a water dog and his color is orange. Zuma should help Rocky since Rocky is afraid of water. Okay, Zuma, here I come. Wow, these are sparkly stars. And there are so many of them. Maybe there's something underneath the stars. Wow, it's Kion from the Lion Guard. Kion is the leader of the Lion Guard. What a cute little tail. His hair is so fuzzy and orange, just like Zuma. Bye, Kion. Anything else in here? I feel something inside. It's a Zuma toy. Wow, it looks just like Zuma. This is the squishiest Mashem of them all. He has a light too. Wow, that's bright. I think that's it for Zuma. I hope you like the Paw Patrol game. Chase had yummy popcorn. Zuma had sparkly stars inside. Marshall slimed us with red slime. Sky had pink slime. So sticky. Then Rocky had green slime. He's silly. Rubble had marshmallows. So soft and white. They feel like clouds. Let me know in the comments what TV show or movie you want to see in our next game. Subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. This is Ellie Sparkles. Bye!